So just like a z-interval, a t-interval can also calculate a confidence interval when given a dataset. The GPA of 15 randomly selected college students is provided below. Assume the population is normally distributed. Construct a 99% confidence interval for the population mean GPA, and then interpret the results. So because it's normally distributed, we can calculate this even though our sample size is only 15. So C is 0.99. Now let's go to the t-interval. So I'm going to press Stat and then go to Edit, and I want to type in all of the GPAs into list 1. Then I want to quit out and then go back into the Stat menu, this time over to Tests and then down to t-interval. I want to make sure that the input is set to data. My list is L1. I want to make sure that the frequency is set to 1, and my confidence level is 0.99. Then press Calculate, and my confidence interval, rounded to 2 places, is 1.52 to 3.05. So that's our confidence interval, and what that means is, with 99% confidence, we can say that the true population mean GPA is between 1.52 and 3.05.